If you are a brand owner or a product owner, creating ad is one of the most important way to reach the right audience. But let's be honest, making professional ad video usually feels expensive. Camera, model, editing, and a big budget. But what if I tell you we can create a high quality ad video using AI in just 10 to 15 minutes? Sounds like impossible? Hey everyone, welcome to Friends with AI. Here we learn AI tools in simplest way. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create an ad video from writing a script to final output. Before we jump in, let's understand the full process. We'll create the ad video in 4 steps. First, writing the ad script. Second, creating the product image. If you have your own product, you can use that image. But in this scenario, we'll be generating one product image through AI. Number 3, choosing an AI model or character. And number 4, making the model hold the product and deliver the dialogues. So guys, the first and the most important step of creating one advertisement video is generating your script. So here I already generated one script. You also can generate script with ChatGPT or other AI tools. So my main product is water bottle. So I'll be promoting a water bottle through my advertisement. Next step is generating the product image. So what I'll do, simply I'll copy this prompt and I'll paste it in the Gemini. And it's generating. So as you can see, it generated a beautiful water bottle as per our need and branding with our brand name Zebra. In this step, we'll be generating our model picture. So here I simply copy our first use case and I'll paste it in Gemini. One thing I want to clear that if you paste your model picture soon after generating your product picture, Gemini will automatically merge your product picture with your model picture. So that's the advantage of using Gemini. So here as you can see, it is generated our first model picture holding our bottle, our product. So next, our second use case. I'll simply copy the student and I'll paste it in Gemini. And as you can see guys, it generated our second use case image. Next, our third use case image. We'll do the same. I'll copy the prompt and I'll paste it in Gemini. As you can see guys, it generated a third use case image. So number 4, Traveler Explorer. Okay. Number 4, crazy. See? Perfect. Let's download. And the last one. Done. As you can see guys, we got our 5 use case model picture ready. So in the next step, we'll convert this picture into full video and where our model will be delivering a proper dialogue. So guys, to convert our model photo into a video, we'll be using Google Flow. It comes with VO 3.1 that's very powerful to generate video from a prompt or any image, but it understands JSON code. So first we'll be converting our prompt in a JSON code to ChatGPT, and after that we'll paste that JSON code in the Google Flow. So let's do that. So guys, now we'll be generating our first video using Google Flow. And one thing, please keep in mind that your first line should be that highlighted line. Converted the attached image into realistic cinematic JSON video prompt for VO3. So I'll just simply copy that prompt and I'll paste it in ChatGPT. As you can see guys, ChatGPT generated the JSON code, and simply I'll copy that JSON code and I'll open Flow, new project, and after that there frame to video, I'll select frame to video, and you have to upload the first image. That is our use case, corporate professional. We'll select the portrait and we'll paste the JSON code. As you can see guys, it's generated a beautiful video that our model is delivering the particular
मीटिंग्स बैक टू बैक होती हैं, इसलिए ऐसी बॉटल चाहिए जो रिलायबल हो, डिजाइन प्रीमियम है, लीक प्रूफ है और डेस्क पे भी क्लासी लगती है.
Second dialogue. So first simply I'll copy that and I'll paste it in ChatGPT, and it will convert that prompt into JSON format. See, it generated the JSON code. Now I'll copy it from here and we'll come to the Flow and we'll select a second picture, second use case that is the student. So we'll select that, portrait format, crop save, and we'll paste our JSON code here. Generate. See, it generated the video. Let's check.
रोज कॉलेज ले जाता हूँ, बैग में भी फिट, हैवी भी नहीं, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, स्टाइलिश है और पढ़ाई के बीच हाइड्रेशन सॉर्टेड.
We'll come to the prompt and I'll copy our third prompt and we'll paste it here, and it will convert this prompt in so it generated the fitness sports branding video prompt JSON. I'll copy that, we'll paste it here, and now we'll select that gym girl video. We'll select that athlete, open, portrait size, crop and save. Generate. See guys, it generated our third video.
वर्कआउट के बाद सिर्फ पानी नहीं, क्वालिटी भी मैटर करती है। ग्रिप सॉलिड है, बॉटल ड्यूरेबल है, हर सेशन के लिए परफेक्ट।
So next, I'll copy our fourth prompt, traveler and explorer. So simply, I'll copy that prompt and I'll convert this into JSON code through ChatGPT. It is done. Simply I'll copy that and I'll paste it here. This time I'll select the explorer guy. See. Crop and save. Now I'll hit the generate. Let's see.
ट्रैवल में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ट्रस्ट। ये बॉटल लीक नहीं करती, टफ है और हर जगह साथ देती है।
I'll copy our last dialogue and we'll convert this into JSON code. Frame to video. We'll paste it here. We'll select the frame. That is that lady. Generate.
सुबह की रूटीन सिंपल होनी चाहिए। क्लीन डिजाइन, सेफ मटेरियल, पानी पीने का फील ही अलग हो जाता है।
As you guys can see, we got our 5 use case video ready. Now we'll create our intro video. So let's do that. So guys, apart from our model video, I have generated 3 more videos following the same steps using the Google Flow. As you can see. So guys, after editing all the videos and merge them together, it's time to check the final result.
क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? समाधान बहुत आसान है, जब बोतल भरोसेमंद हो। पेश है जिवरा वाटर बोतल।
मीटिंग्स बैक टू बैक होती हैं, इसलिए ऐसी बॉटल चाहिए जो रिलायबल हो। डिजाइन प्रीमियम है, लीक प्रूफ है और डेस्क पे भी क्लासी लगती है।
रोज कॉलेज ले जाता हूँ, बैग में भी फिट, हैवी भी नहीं, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, स्टाइलिश है और पढ़ाई के बीच हाइड्रेशन सॉर्टेड।
वर्कआउट के बाद सिर्फ पानी नहीं, क्वालिटी भी मैटर करती है। ग्रिप सॉलिड है, बॉटल ड्यूरेबल है, हर सेशन के लिए परफेक्ट।
ट्रैवल में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ट्रस्ट। ये बॉटल लीक नहीं करती, टफ है और हर जगह साथ देती है।
सुबह की रूटीन सिंपल होनी चाहिए। क्लीन डिजाइन, सेफ मटेरियल, पानी पीने का फील ही अलग हो जाता है।
डिजाइन जो नजर आए, क्वालिटी जो महसूस हो, एक बॉटल हर लाइफस्टाइल के लिए।
So that's the complete process of creating an advertisement video using AI. You can bring in different variation and use cases based on your product. and your advertising need. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more practical AI tutorial. And don't forget to comment below what kind of advertisement video you are planning to create. You can also let me know which AI tools or video idea you want to see next on this channel. Thanks again. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.